Hi, my name is Youstina Youssif, and I'm a first year as a freshman at Belmont University. So overall, my experience with Top Hat has been pretty positive. I really like how collaborative it was. I really loved the quizzes that it gave, the practice ones and also the graded ones, because it really helped me prepare for biology lecture class. And I actually used the Top Hat platform for biology lab. One thing that I really liked about it is how it guided us through the steps and it provided the overall information needed. I don't think I would have passed lab without that, honestly, and now I have an A in lab, so just perfect. But I do think it helped me and it helped a lot of students, and I would suggest this platform to any professor or any students planning on using this.